We already have a date of presentation of the HUAWEI Mate 70. To begin with, the CEO of HUAWEI made an official confirmation that this device will be presented in the month of November. Through a publication on Weibo, he anticipated that this would be the most powerful Mate ever, and he said see you in November, although he didn't post any images or anything like that. So it was a simple post, but it obviously caused a lot of buzz because we already have some confirmation of the existence of this device, and then Digital Chat Station was in charge of giving a slightly more accurate date, although he himself assured that it is still not completely certain. What is certain is that it will be in November. But Digital Chat Station bets that it will be on the 19th of this month. On the other hand, Red Magic 10 Pro will be unveiled on November 13th. Oppo Reno 13 series on the 25th of November, and there will still be other launches from Vivo, iQOO, and some others. However, it is highly likely that Huawei does have such plans because there have also been some leaked pictures that Huawei is already shipping to stores this device. There is a very popular store in China called Vimel, and one photograph shows that there is a package addressed to that store. Although this photograph could have been fabricated and faked, but that is what is being said. This device is expected to be ultra popular, although we don't know if Huawei will do a launch event or just one of these days is going to say it's already available for sale, or it may even make it available for sale before its official unveiling, which is part of the strategy Huawei has been using lately. And in this Mate 70 series are expected good improvements in the processor specifically, which is one of the sections where Huawei has still struggled, but let's wait because a global launch is also not confirmed so far. Recall that the last generation was only distributed in China, giving only global distribution to the P60, then to the Pure 70, and now we do not know if Mate 70 will have the privilege of having the global launch or not.